we'd have a little fun with this video and do twist on our plant power highlight series. How about when plants attack? So imagine you're out for a stroll in the forest and holy moly! Then what happened?
Oh, I'm afraid that would be from the doll's eye, the vine, the baneberry that scratched you during your illegal climb over my wall. Once the poison gets into your bloodstream, you will start to see what I can only describe as the most extraordinary display of blue objects. You better drink this. Soon you won't be able to swallow, and then you'll be totally buggered.
All right, if you don't have this sweet and sinister grandma to make you a life-saving herbal remedy, you die. Really? Let's take a look at what she's talking about. First of all, she calls this overly aggressive plant doll's eye, the baneberry that attacked you when you illegally climbed my wall. To be more specific, it would be a white baneberry that gets its common name, doll's eye, because these white berries with their black dots in the middle resemble the eyes of dolls. Creepy. And the name baneberry, well, it literally translates to killer berry because the Latin root of the word bane means killer or slayer. Kind of like slayer better. As scary as these doll's eyes are, can they actually kill you? It turns out, theoretically, yes. And I say theoretically because I wasn't able to find any case studies of people dying from them. And there were a couple blogs that also said they couldn't find any case studies either. But if you want to think about its possible toxicity, just turn to what the Native American word for this is. In this video, we're talking about doll's eyes, which would be white cohosh to the Native Americans. And the word cohosh came from the northern Native American tribes, the Algonquian, who gave the name cohosh to any plant meaning poisonous. Of course, they used this toxin as medicine in low doses. However, since they were the ones going around telling the Anglo-Saxons not to eat this plant, it's deadly, I think you should trust them. After all, I think we can all agree by now that the Native Americans, as a wide-sweeping general statement, know their plants. Okay, but how is this related to the movie? It turns out that the white baneberry is toxic to most mammals, humans, dogs, cats, horses, rabbits, etc. The roots and berries contain the highest concentration of an essential oil called protoanemonin, which is a cardiac and smooth muscle depressant. As you can imagine, depressing or slowing a heart muscle containing too much could lead to death, which Tom is showing here.
Once the poison gets into your bloodstream, you will start.
But if you're not trying to kill someone, are you interested in what the Native Americans might have used this toxic plant for? Well, it looks like even the Native American shaman were interested in keeping their ladies happy. Doll's eye, white baneberry, or the native term white cohosh was the first ever, recorded by Anglo-Saxons, PMS drug. The molecule found in doll's eyes, protoanemonin, in ultra-low doses helps slow uterine cramping. I can only imagine what the scene rewrite would look like for doll's eye if Hollywood wanted to be more accurate. But hey, a bunch of pain-free women would be kind of boring. All right, if you enjoyed that dangerous plant video, you should check out my other video about deadly eucalyptus oil. Okay, take care for now.